Today, let's continue the vegan series with Thai stir-fry vegetables. สวัสดีค่ะ everyone มันเน่ new recipe I'm Nin welcome to my channel before we start don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more recipes check in description I have a mini cookbook to download for free last week we cooked a vegan pad thai and today we are going to cook another vegan recipe a real one this time Thai stir-fry vegetables. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's peel and cut all the veggies. Peel off the skin of carrot and diagonally cut it. Cut the stem of the broccoli. Separate the head part and shape the bottom part. Remove the hard part of the stem. And cut the tender part into wedges, this one full of flavor. Cut the cauliflower in half and use the tip of your knife to separate florets into bite size. Remove the tip of baby corn and cut in half. Cut your mushroom in half. Remove the string of peas by pinching the curly end of it. The storm is coming. I hope I will finish before. So now let's start blanching carrot, cauliflower, baby corn and broccoli. Put your vegetables in boiling water for 2 minutes. Then transfer it into cold water. Strain it before stir fry. Lastly, stir fry everything. Add oil and chopped garlic. Then add mushroom and peas. Stir it. Add soybean sauce, soy sauce, white peppercorn powder, and sugar. Stir again. Mix cornstarch with water. We use that instead of oyster sauce to make the sauce thicker. Add some water and stir. You can now add the rest of your veggies. Mix everything well. Mm. Did you hear that? Plop, plop, plop. I talk with them, I didn't talk with you. Everything is so crunchy. This is how I like it. But if you prefer to eat a bit softened, just let it cook a bit more. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell that you will never miss a recipe. It will be great if you can share, leave me a comment. It really helps. Also, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย